Welcome to another VirtualDJ custom keyboard mapping tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to map stems to your keyboard in VirtualDJ. If you are not familiar with the stems, they allow you to separate different elements of the song, such as vocals, instruments, bends, hi-hat, and kicks, giving you more creative control over your mixes. This tutorial was inspired by the request from one of my audience from Kenya. Today's special shout out goes to Iconics Model. Thank you for being part of the community. Others drop a comment letting me know where you are supporting us from, for a chance to get a shout out in the next video. I'm DJ Zako as always, and if this is your first time here, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notifications for later videos. By doing so, it really helps the channel to grow and keeps me motivated to bring you more content like this. And to everyone who has already subscribed, thank you. Your support keeps me going. Now without further ado, let's jump right in. Like most of the mappings that have alternative ways of mapping them, this one also has two methods for you to achieve the same results. Now let's see the first method. In the key box, select your desired key. Then we move to the action box and type mute _ stem, add space. From here you are free to choose part of the stem that you want assigned to the key. For example, vocals. But you type like this without S, then close the quotation. Let's add another stem element. In the key box, select your desired key. Then we move to the action box and type mute _ stem, add space. You can use single or double quotation. This time around, let's go with the single. Then type the stem element, for example, instra. For instruments, close the quotes. Let's add one more last example. In the key box, select your desired key. Then we move to the action box and type mute _ stem, add space, then open double quotation and type stem element, for example, bends, close double quotation. Now let's save this and check whether our keys are working. First, let's press the key that we mapped the vocals. As you can see, the vocal part has been removed. Now let's press the key that we mapped the instrumental part. As you can see, this one also works fine. Now let's press the key that we mapped the bends. All our keys seem to work as expected. Now to put back the element that we removed, it is as easy as pressing the same key again, like this, as you can see. Now let's see the second method of mapping this. In the key box, select your desired key. Then we move to the action box and type stem _ pad, add space, then open double quotation. As we want to control the vocal, so here we are going to type a cappella. Close the quotes. Or you can also specify instrumental in here if you want to isolate all instruments, leaving the vocal part out, like this. In the key box, select your desired key. Then we move to the action box and type stem _ pad, add space, then open double quotation and type instrumental, close double quotation. Or you can also choose to specify individual elements, like this. In the key box, select your desired key. Then we move to the action box and type stem _ pad, add space, open double quotation, and type the stem element you want to assign to the key. For example, vocal, instrument, bends, kick, or hi-hat. Any of your choice. In this case, let's go with the kick. Close the quotation. Or you can also choose to go with the combined elements, for example, rhythm or mellow rhythm. In the key box, select your desired key. Then we move back to the action box and type stem _ pad, add space, then open double quotation and type rhythm. Close the quotes. Now let's save this and check whether our keys are working. Let's start with the one for a cappella. As you can see here, all other stem elements have been removed, leaving only the vocals. Pressing the same key again puts back everything. Now let's check the one for only instrumental. As you can see, only the vocal part has been left out. Pressing the same key again puts back all the stem elements. Now let's check the one with only individual element. As you can see here, only the kick part has been removed. Pressing the same key puts back. Now let's check the key that we mapped rhythm. This one happens to remove only the kick and hi-hat from the song. Now that you know how to map stems to your keyboard, feel free to experiment each of them. But when you decide to go for the second method of mapping stems, make sure that you are using VirtualDJ 2024 and later versions. If you have made it up to this part of this video, I hope you have gotten something and I believe it has helped you solve your issue. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment, like and share it with the other VirtualDJ lovers. Till we meet again.